What's up, everybody? This is Halloween 2025, and you are entering Carnage Cove. Here we have our first scene. It's got a map, a table, a wooden fence, an air conditioner, a chair, a little shelf rack, my prop, and some drawers. Our cemetery scene. We've got 3 little headstones. Our biohazard gimmick. There's the sign. Little black light, I don't know. Prop fell. It was a windy night. Here's our pumpkin rack, our current pumpkin rack. It's actually growing as years go on. Some old boxes that I found in the shed. My scarecrow. Lantern and a tote. Some homemade props that I made. And here is our grotesque scene. And here's this, a little additive of our grotesque scene. Vampire head. Another lantern. And Vessel 103 that I have put a light on him so he lights up at night. It's a solar panel light. The next time you see all of this Halloween prop, we'll have haunt music and haunt lighting, so check that out. And for the most part, that's all, guys.